FIFA has a ranking system. It tells you who the best team in the world is. Right now, it says Spain. In a few months, it might say someone else. Here is the problem. Almost nobody understands how this number is actually calculated, and once you do, you will never trust a ranking screenshot again. In theory, the FIFA ranking is simple. Win games, gain points. Lose games, lose points. Beat a stronger team, gain more points than beating a weaker one. Sounds fair? It is not. Here is where it gets interesting. The system does not just look at who won, it looks at expected outcome versus actual outcome. If a top 10 team beats a team ranked 150, the ranking system expected that. So the points gained are tiny, almost nothing changes. But if that same top 10 team draws with that weak team, the system treats it as a disaster and points get deducted hard. This is why a team can win a tournament and barely move up the list. The system is not rewarding the win itself. It is rewarding how surprising the win was. This sounds simple. It is not. The formula also factors in the importance of the match. A World Cup game is worth more than a friendly. A qualifier is worth more than an exhibition match played in front of 50,000 fans on a random Tuesday in March. So two wins can look identical on a highlight reel and be worth completely different amounts on paper. In practice, this creates strange results almost every cycle. Teams that play weaker opponents constantly can rack up small gains over and over, while a team stuck in a brutal qualifying group, losing points just by competing against good teams, can actually drop in the rankings while improving as a football side. You know the type. A coach gets fired because the ranking dropped when the actual football being played got better, not worse. There is also the confederation problem. FIFA does not treat every region the same in terms of opportunity. Some confederations play more competitive matches against ranked opponents simply because of how their qualifying structure works. A team from a smaller footballing region can be genuinely excellent and still sit lower than its actual ability, purely because the system has fewer high-value matches to measure it against. The ranking is not measuring talent, it is measuring data, and data depends on opportunity, whether you like it or not. This number controls real outcomes. Seeding for World Cup draws is based on FIFA rankings. That means your ranking on one specific date decides who you might face in the group stage of the entire tournament. A team can quietly schedule friendlies against weaker sides in the months before a ranking deadline, purely to boost their number before the draw. This is not a conspiracy theory. This is publicly known strategy used by federations around the world. So next time someone says a team is overrated because they are ranked 5th, or underrated because they are ranked 20th, remember what that number actually represents. It is not a measure of who would win on a neutral pitch tomorrow. It is a mathematical reflection of recent results, weighted by surprise, weighted by importance, and shaped by scheduling decisions made months in advance. The FIFA ranking is not lying to you. It is just answering a completely different question than the one you think it is answering. Let that sink in. If this finally made the ranking system make sense, you know what to do. Hit subscribe, because World Cup 2026 is going to break this system in ways nobody is ready for.